Kristi Noem's people are calling this a promotion, not a firing. She now becomes the special envoy for the Shield of the Americas. But some suspect that the straw that broke the camel's back was her recent testimony on Capitol Hill, which even the White House says angered President Trump. She says the president okayed spending $220 million in taxpayer money to create an ad campaign for Mount Rushmore. Democrats say it's long overdue.
She's been on a rampage. She spent $230 million in taxpayer money promoting herself on a horse in front of Mount Rushmore. How does that help the president? How does it help with immigration?
It is rare that I agree with President Trump, but her hearing in front of the Judiciary Committee this week showed, in response to questions from both Democrats and Republicans, that she's failed to deliver on her core mission, which is to keep America and Americans safe.
I reached out to several Republicans who wouldn't comment, but said Senator Markwayne Mullin is a good pick. Noem has been under fire from Democrats and even some Republicans over her handling of mass deportations and ICE operations throughout the country, plus an alleged affair with a top aide, which she testified she didn't deny having during congressional questioning. Plus, she has been at odds with border czar Tom Homan. She put out a statement saying in part, quote, "Thank you, President Trump, for appointing me as a special envoy for the Shield of the Americas. Secretary Rubio and the Secretary of War are incredible leaders, and I look forward to working with them closely to dismantle cartels that have poured drugs into our nation and killed our children." Oklahoma Senator Mullin said he found out shortly after media reports.
I am super excited about this opportunity. It came at not a complete surprise, but it came at a little bit of surprise for us. And so the president and I, as you guys know, we're great friends, and we get along great. I look forward to working with him and his cabinet.